today's story, one thing about iPhone is that Apple engineers keep on bringing updates from time to time, and sometimes they will be asking you to update your phone if it's not automatically. So here I'll show you how I can update your iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max using 3uTools. We're going to do it without iTunes. So first, let's put the phone into a recovery mode. You press the volume up, press the volume up, press the volume down, then press and hold power button. First of all, make sure that the phone is connected to system and you have your iPhone drivers installed. If you have 3uTools or iTunes on your system, that means the iPhone drivers is installed. So once you see this icon, that means your phone is in recovery mode. You have to wait for your phone to pop up, and this is the phone. So my phone is connected to 3uTools. Then we'll click on go to flash. This is the latest version of iPhone 11 firmware or iPhone 11 iOS. But let me check the one I have. Let me import the one that I have. I'll click on import and select it. The latest is 18.5. So it shows 3uTools error 9% unable to request SSH. So let's see how we can fix this. And to fix this is simple. We're going to download the latest iOS firmware on this particular phone. And that is it here. We download the iOS. If you don't know how to download the check order of my videos, you see how I can download the iOS. As of today, the latest iOS for iPhone 11 is 18.5.2. So with time, they keep on increasing the iOS until they stop that particular phone update. I think some of iPhones can no longer be updated. Yeah, I think so. So that is one thing about iPhone and some other phones. Maybe that time they have newer ones, or the engineers are no longer interested about updating that particular iPhone iOS. That is the firmware. I'm copying this from where I downloaded it to. What you're supposed to see is downloading, but I'm copying it from my phone. I downloaded it with my phone. We'll go back to 3uTools, then import this new file we just downloaded, and that is it here. Then we'll click on flash. Then we'll start flashing. So this is how you can solve error 9%, unable to request SSH while using 3uTools to flash an iPhone. We have started flashing. Please relax because this is going to take time depending on your system, your internet, and other things, but it's going to take a while before it completes the flashing process. In case you're taking this as a lecture, please share my lecture to others. It's going to help them. I make this lecture to be cheap so that people can benefit. You can equally share it to others so that they will learn. Share it with others who are interested. Please tell people to join because they are going to benefit. If you help somebody, you will not forget in life. What I'm taking from this course is just small, but the joy I have is that I'm able to help people. At least they can have something doing. Make sure that you don't disconnect your phone on this process. Ensure that you don't, by any mistake, disconnect your phone until the process is completed. Yeah, it's still going on, like as you can see here. So we're done. It say congratulations, clean flash completed. Flashing done. Play at this stage. Allow the phone to boot. For the first time, it will take time before the phone will boot. So you must allow the phone to boot before you do another thing. In my own case, sometimes or most time, I don't even disconnect it until the phone comes up fully. Then I can disconnect it from system. You can see the phone is loading. Takes time. Don't panic about it. Takes time. It's still coming up, so I have to wait till it finishes. That is done. As you can see, the phone has booted fully. Thank you as we continue with other ones. Bye for now.